This is the Mustang. So we'll open it right up. Be not afraid, go ahead, grab it, pop it right open. Follow your breakaway zipper, open the whole thing right up, because you're gonna have to do that to close it anyway. So there we go. There's our oil inflation valve, there's our whistle, there's our manual / auto inflation, depending on how you have it set up. So we'll start right here. So this is the retrofit kit. Comes with this little manual of how to weave everything. Comes with your sticker, solar sticker, very strong. And your pull tab that's gonna go in here like this, and we'll get this here started. We already set up here, we have our lanyard to pull our eye off. We're in the locked position right now, so pay attention to that, because if I try to pull that as hard as I can, it's still not gonna come out. That's the unlocked position. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that down, pop my arm plate back on. That's gonna stop it from wiggling off accidentally while it's in the life jacket. So we're gonna line that right up right here. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the sticker, the retrofit kit. So if you follow this manual here, it's going to tell you to do one of these, you get that under the sticker. Now we're ready to go. Use the sticker that's already there, because they like to stick to each other the best. I'm going to line that right up. So now that's stuck down like that, holding this tab. Now I'm going to come over here, I'm going to use the oil inflation valve, flip it right on there. And then that fancy little weave that's on here, I'm going to do. But if it takes you a few times to get it, no worries. Just keep going at it and you'll eventually get it. It's a one-way pull. Alright, now I got my weave in there. I'm going to go ahead and get it. Now as you can see, that is going to weave up there like that. So now when this inflates, it's going to pull that eye off. So at this point, I want to attach my safety lanyard in case it does come off the oil inflation valve. Again, if you're a fancy sailboat person, use your fancy knots. Or a knot that you feel good with. For right now, I'm just going to tie it. Just so we can show you. Alright, so that's attached there. The AIS is on. It's all the way set there. And I like to line that up. I want it as true of a straight pull as I can get. So if I manipulate this up and down, you can get it straight. All right, at this point, I'm going to close the life jacket. Put that right over. Tuck that right in. Use my Velcro to keep it all closed. Up, back down. Tuck that. All right. Little whistle right there. Make sure my lanyard to pull is out. Put that back up. Feel free to spin your life jacket. Manipulate the jacket rather than manipulating yourself. It's going to make it a lot easier to repack any jacket. All right. Good. I'll use the Velcro nice and straight. Okay, come back around. All right, now we're packed and we're in there. Now the AIS is in there installed correctly. It's got the safety lanyard. It's ready to pull. But every once in a while, nothing works perfectly. Every once in a while, you may have to do something. So what I'm going to actually do is I am going to try something here, just to see. I'm going to expose the top of this valve here. I'm going to hit it with the air hose. I'm going to see if when air comes in, it does indeed trip everything and pop the AIS off. It should. It should. It's packed correctly. Oh, there you go. And there goes your cap flying over there. So there you go. See, it's starting to build tension over here, which would have ridden this zipper right open like that. But I just wanted to see if indeed we could pop that AIS off. So that's correctly installed. And there you go. You saw it packed, you saw it unpacked, you saw it installed. Everyone have a good day.